That's Sparky and the missus. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. What do you say, Sparky? Hey? Hello? Hey, Sparky. Hello? Yeah. Proper resenting bringing the by the way, his bloody pedo out here now. You know, like from his kitchen window. That's what they're doing now. I wonder. Spots. I used to think it was bloody radio, and then I realised yesterday. Yeah, they were stood at the window. Anyway, I just want to say, we've had actual proper torrential downpours. Look, as you can see, not one bit of flooding. Yeah, and come off of swimming down like it were. Nothing. Yeah, still raining, but slow down. Yeah. So, and I've got to ring up Yorkshire Housing tomorrow. Speak to a placement manager called Shaz, you know, something like that. We'll have to rehearse the pronunciation beforehand. But yeah, I'll ring them up in the morning. I missed the phone call, by the way. Yeah, I didn't realise. So I'll just ring them back tomorrow. Because better come out and sort something out about this now. Yeah. But they're pissed off to see me out on a Saturday and a Sunday. Yeah. Don't know how long that's been going off. But he's been up a few times. I've seen him, and I thought it was to do with him and number 4 at first. Although as if they don't know him. Anyway, so go.